The farmer and his son. Problems in life. Welcome to English Vinglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. In a small English village, there lived a poor farmer named William and his only son David. Their life was full of struggles. The farmer worked from sunrise to sunset in his small field, yet the crops were never enough. Sometimes it was drought, sometimes heavy rains, and sometimes no buyers in the market. David often complained, "Father, why is life so unfair? Why do we always face problems? Other people seem happier than us." One day, William decided to teach his son a lesson. He asked David to fetch 3 pots of water and put them on the fire. In one pot, he placed some potatoes. In the second, he put eggs. And in the third, he put tea leaves. After a while, he called David and said, "Son, all 3 went through the same boiling water. But see what happened. The potato, which was hard, has become soft. The egg, which was fragile, has become strong inside. And the tea leaves, they changed the water into something completely new and better." William smiled and added, "Problems are like this boiling water. We cannot escape them, but how we respond is our choice. We can become weak like the potato, tough like the egg, or creative like the tea that changes its environment." David understood. From that day, instead of complaining, he worked harder with his father, learned new farming methods, and even started selling vegetables in the nearby town. Slowly, their life began to improve. Life in the village or anywhere is never free from problems, but problems are not the end, they are tests. If we stay strong, patient, and creative, we can turn every struggle into an opportunity. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.